Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of POS List View application by BrowseInfo. So with help of this applications, you can easily switch between the grid and list views in Odoo POS. You can quickly sort the products by name, code, unit of measure, price, or available quantity for the faster selection. It enhances your POS interface with a more flexible and user-friendly product view. So for the first step, you just have to navigate to the settings and select the point of sale, and here under the POS interface you can find the configuration for the same. You have to select the product name, type, reference code, the things you want to display in the POS screen. You just have to select this checklist. After that, for the list view you just have to select the image size you want, small, medium or large. So here we also have option to select the grid view and the list view. If I'm selecting the list view, so you can able to select the things for the list view. For the first step, I'm selecting the grid view and save the settings. Now I'm just going to the point of sale and open the register. So here you can find two smart buttons. I'm selecting the list view. So here you can see the products are now in the list view, and the fields we selected like image, code, name, type, unit of measure, price, everything is reflected over here. After that, I'm just going with the grid. So here you can find the everything. The products are now in the grid format. Now I'm just going to the backend, and under the inventory you can find option for POS product arrangement. So if you want to arrange the products, so you have also this option. You can sort by name A to Z, Z to A, low to high sale price and high to low sale price. Currently, I'm selecting the sort name A to Z and going to save it. So here you can see the products are sorted in A to Z format. After that, I'm again going to the backend. I'm selecting the sort from high to low sale price. I'm going to save it and continue with the selling. So here you can see our product is now in the descending format, the highest price to the lowest price. Now I'm just going to the close the register, and I'm going to the configuration and under the settings, and here I'm selecting the medium size of the picture icon, and I'm disable some quantities and the fields I don't want, and going to save it, and again I'm going to the dashboard and open the register. So here you can see the fields we have deselect is not reflected in the POS screen. So this how our module is working. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, please put them on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.